Lights, camera, action. Your journey to the spotlight begins here. Welcome to the Department of Journalism and Mass Comm at Rama University. From the buzzing energy of our radio station, RadioRama 90.8 FM, to the fast-paced world of digital news and film production, we offer a hands-on learning experience that goes beyond the classroom. Gain the confidence and skill you need to become a leader in the media industry. Our expert faculty and state-of-the-art facilities are here to help you find your voice.
The Department of Journalism provides you bachelor's, master's and PhD in journalism and mass communication. After completing these courses, you have various opportunities like you can join media industry, you can join academics, and last but not the least, you can join government sectors in media industry. So, for your bright future, join Rama University. Thank you.
Join Rama University and shine on. Admissions open.